I am Vimal Gupta, and this is the team for Group-7, Himanshu Rane, Anshul Shende, and Aniket Mohanpuria along with me. And we have been working on a project dashboard in Power BI, and it is Rainfall Deforestation Dashboard. As for the technology used, it's Power BI software, and for the datasets, me and Aniket had filtered the datasets as we had data available from like 1900s and all. Now beginning with the graphs or maps or the visualization we have made. So the first one, this map shows like this how much rainfall has been in the respective states of India, along with the like tree coverage area in hectares, and how much tree area has been fallen, which is like deforestation value in hectares as well. And we can check values for each individual state by like hovering over it, like as in case for Rajasthan, if I hover over it, it's 715 mm of rainfall and 4084 hectare for tree coverage, and 715 hectare tree area has been fallen. Now coming on to second visualization. So this is a stacked area chart, and it shows state-wise rainfall measures for the sake of simplicity. Like we already had that data in the first one, the first map, but I have put it here so that like it would be easy for user to know the values. Like if someone wants to know only the rainfall data. Now Anshul will continue.
Hello sir, I am Anshul and I will be explaining about deforestation. Deforestation is the purposeful clearing of forested land. Throughout history and into modern times, forests have been raised to make space for agriculture and animal grazing and to obtain wood for fuel manufacturing and construction. Coming on to explanation, in this graph we get to know that the deforestation has been increasing in the areas which are known for its greenery and the natural environment. This graph also explains that deforestation in Assam, Mizoram, mainly in the northeast region, is high, which is very bad for the near future, and in Jharkhand it's low, which is pretty good. The graph overall shows the decreasing deforestation according to the states and region. Moving on to the tree cover graph. Tree cover means the area covered by the crown of trees. Coming on to explanation, in this graph you can see that the Arunachal Pradesh has greater and wider tree coverage, which is pretty much obvious and alternatively good for the society, but on the second side we lack in the certain ratio that the populated area such as Delhi is facing air pollution due to the lack of tree coverage. Overall tree coverage has been declined along the decade. In this hectogram we can see the states along with the tree coverage. So this was
Net forest conservation. Below map, it told about the country and their net forest conservation. Like that, if we goes to India, then a box come where in which country name and their net forest conservation in whole country. Like in India, the net forest conservation is 55,32,800. Now, after this, we comes to rain normally across district per state. Like in right side, we there the state and left side there the district where annual rainfall comes. If we, in right side we choose the state and left there they come all over the district in which the annual rainfall is recorded. Like I choose Maharashtra, then in left side there the whole district is comes, so that so that if we go through Ratnagari, then it tell the district Ratnagari and annual rainfall is 3,470.60 mm. Now my friend Himanshu is continue for further.
Hello, my name is Himanshu Rane and from onwards I will represent. So the next data visualization is year versus country with average forest change. So this visualization shows us net forest conversion rate along with time with country. So let's choose the time domain 1994 to 2007, and country we want to see is India. So here if we hover it, we can see it the net forest conversion rate around 2 million. and if we want to change the country, like we want to see Iraq, so here also we can say the net forest conversion rate is 700. So coming toward the next graph, so this graph shows rain versus deforestation. So first of all we have to choose a region, like we have to choose central India. In central India there are four states: Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. So if you want to see the data from Madhya Pradesh, so we have to hover it, and here we see the data from 2015, and deforestation is around 8,000, tree conversion rate around 80 lakhs, and annual rainfall around 1,000. So that's all, and this is deforestation dashboard from Group 7. Thank you.